we can open this virtual machine as a web server. So right now, as you can see here on the public IP address, I cannot connect. So it means it does not have any virtual IS server installed. Just to cross verify, we'll also log into this server on this virtual machine and see. Just loading my profile for the first time. Okay. So what is the step that we are going to perform here on the high level? Let me just write it down here. The step that we are going to accomplish, we are trying to identify first whether this server is web server or not, or IIS is installed or not on this server. Thereafter, okay, I'm into the step 1, and where I'm into the server manager. See, as you can see, this server is not part of my IIS, or IIS is not installed on this. So IIS is one of the simplest way to perform the custom script extension CSE. So like that, you can also install some of other component. So I'm not going to perform inside anything on this virtual machine. Let's minimize it, and let's connect from here. There is a custom extension. If you go into the properties here, so I'll just complete this step first. High level step, that what we are going to do, identify whether our virtual machine is equipped with web server or not. If not, go to properties of virtual machine, navigate to your extension, and there we need to install custom script. In our case, it is going to be IIS. Validation, and since we are already logged into the server, we can verify this validation uh, by opening IIS page. Okay, so this is the high level thing
Yeah.
that we are going to do.
We have installed IS. We have installed the ISS server the other day.
You already installed it.
Yes.
You can uninstall. For the demo purpose, you can uninstall, or you can, because what we are going to do, we are not going to install it from the server. We are going to install it from the portal from here. You can uninstall it.
Oh, you want me to uninstall it?
Yeah, please uninstall the IIS. So this is how we are going to do without I'm not logged into the virtual machine. This is the extension. So I'm clicking here on this extension. These are the different extensions which I was talking about. Say we have a endpoint EDR for, then agent for server monitoring, then Sentinel and pipe agent. These are the built-in and incorporated agent which Microsoft Gallery provides. Now you can just keep scrolling, scroll down, you will find something called custom script extension. This is the one we are going to leverage for this demo, and we'll say okay. Now script file required, it means what is the script file is there. If you recall, there's a PowerShell command to install your IIS, which is this is the command, that's something called import module server manager, sorry, Windows feature feature name, that is, and then we'll say web server. I mean, it is pretty much we've done in the last in the last classes. So what I've done, I've saved that file as a part of your IES as a PS1 file. So let me show you what is that file name. Should be something IES charge, or I can just create it in one line. This will create a confusion. One moment, guys. Where is the file? Not here. Not here. Ah, should be in my G drive. Any questions, guys? By the time. Yes. Where is it?
So what are we, so right now we're trying to install an app. That's what we're trying to do, right?
Yeah, we're trying to install IES remotely on the server.
So Ajay, if we remove the IIS from we uninstall it, would all the modules be removed also?
Which modules?
Uh, Initially, the first day when we created the virtual machine through PowerShell, we imported some modules. Would all the modules be
No, no, no,
removed to
nothing, nothing. Nothing. That will not remove anything from your.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not able to find it. I'll do one thing on the server itself. I'll generate that and copy it here. And 1 minute. This is my server. So please, guys, just may don't do anything on the server. I'm just creating this script so that we can accomplish the same on remotely. This is for your demo purpose. Nothing you have to you don't have to follow it. What I'm trying to do here, I'm creating this script in IEC, and I'll use this script outside my virtual machine. So just to command is what to install Windows feature name web server, include all sub feature, restart if needed. That's it. Only one line command is there. I'm going to save this. I'm not able to do it. Let me check. The name of this is fine, right? 1 minute. Get Windows feature. Okay. Oh, it is already installed. No. Okay. It says this command actually, just for your information, I'm checking it running on this server. I'm just cross verifying whether I don't have, and the name of this feature is web server. So that's what I'm going to install it. Now I'm going to save this file as a .ps1. Yesterday, I think Ahmed asked me that how do we create this script. So this is what we do it. Now if I just save this file .ps1, that will become my PowerShell script. So this is the file. So again, on this server, we don't have any IIS. We can cross check by opening Internet Explorer and type here your local host. If you have any sort of IIS installed, then IIS page should open. If not, then nothing is installed. As simple as that. So here nothing is there. We'll just close it. So now I'm going to use this script outside. So it was there somewhere. IIS. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll just save it to somewhere. Okay, so this is the file. I already have it. I am going to use this file. File is here. Okay, so whenever you're going to deploy this kind of extension, you have to attach the storage account, which actually you are letting Microsoft know that okay, my script or my application would be stored on this particular storage account. So first of all, I need to create one storage account that is kind of anything. I'm going to use as a custom script demo. Okay, uh, custom script. Okay, demo 2. Once my storage account is created, I can append this script there. Okay. and you have to create one container script container 1 2. Okay, now again come to storage account. Just operations. Didn't save it since. Okay, here it is. And okay, now I need to upload that extensions, that file which I have here, which is my IS. Okay, upload it. The file got uploaded here. I'll click close, and this is the file. Select and then okay. Now this IIS, we are doing it from portal through the extension. Now it is deployment is started. It will take, depending on the size and complexity of your application, it might take 30 to 90 minutes. For us, since it is only one line code, so we can see it will be installed in another 5 minutes or so. So here you can check your activity, more activity in the deployment progress, everything. And once it is done, we can see it through the public IP address. We can open IIS on the server on our local PC. At the same time, we'll also do the validation by going to the server and checking whether the IIS has been installed or not on the server. So by the time it gets complete, any questions, we can take it here. Any doubt?
Is it possible you can go over what you have done so far? Because I know just we probably miss here and there, but at least the summary, what just we have done.
Yeah, let it be complete, Ahmed. I can again repeat what we have done so far.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Welcome.
Efficient through PowerShell or from
Sudha, your voice is not clear. Can you type, or probably you can speak again?
No, I was just wondering which process is preferable. Is it PowerShell or Portal?
Well, this thing you can always do through the portal and PowerShell both. On the PowerShell, you have to run the certain command. But if you think so, from here also you can do it. I would say you can start with the GUI mode because that will give you more confidence. And once you are, familiar with the PowerShell, you can do it. From the PowerShell also we can do with a certain command called set get, and there's a command called, I can show you right away. Get custom, sorry, easy account, easy custom. I need to check whether we have this or not. Easy custom. Okay, I'm not able to find out. 1 minute. Let's see what is that command comes. It's there. Command is there. We can say extension. Well, there are a lot of commands that we don't know, like thousands of commands, but we cannot memorize each and every command. So the what we have to play, we have to know that how to get help from the help. So now this extension probably is not there, so I need to install
There's a
it.
typo in the
Yeah, I'm just checking. Get command extension. Yeah, all right, yeah. Extension. Let's try again. That one. Okay. Thank you, Sudha. Yeah, I think here we have something called. So these many extension related, you can see command listed over here. Get. So yeah, here it is. Get AZ VM extension. This is the command. So first we have to, before execution, we have to fetch this get AZ VM extension. Yeah, this is the command. This one get is to fetch any command and set is to set. So if I say here get, and I'm connected to my resource group name. So again, if I don't know the complete, I can run the help here. I'll give you sort of demo here on the PowerShell how to get the help. Also get AZ VM extension, and you say example. So it will give you a kind of example what you need to do and how to accomplish it. Example 1 2 3, like that. So here if you see on this part, if you run this command resource group VM name and all, then you will get to know which custom script is available on this. So I'm going to use one of them, and I'll change my parameter according to my environment, which is going to be this one for copy, and then here my resource group name is, which is, let me verify, I think 104. Okay, here deployment is succeeded. Let's complete this step and then we'll verify. So my resource group name is here 104 lab 10 Azure 10. Just simply copy this just to avoid any typo, and we'll go here in that script again. Resource group name. This is going to be my resource group name. The VM name, the virtual machine name. So for me, what is the VM name here? Where I've installed this, it is on to virtual machine. I install on this. So this is my VM name, and so I'll go here. I'll change the parameter and the name custom. This will remain as it is. So if I execute this complete command, okay.
You have a typo again. Your VM name has a typo.
VM name.
R.
No, I think that's what I copied.
No, You have R Azure 104 lab. There is R letter.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah. So this executed, and it says the provisioning status for my custom script is succeeded, and where actually it succeeded, on which VM succeeded, we can check it out here. Now, if I go back here in the virtual machine again on the portal, here it is. And now if I try to open my virtual machine, which is this public IP, if I open it again, there should be IS page should open here. Yeah. So it means my IS is done through the custom script. I have not gone to the server. I have not done any sort of command, or have not executed any sort of command in my virtual machine or in my server, but through custom script I have executed remotely. Now this is the one. Now just to validate again, we'll log into the server, which is, I think I'm already logged in, and we'll refresh here. We'll go to server manager, and we'll check whether IS is installed or not. So here, yeah, you can see IIS. Earlier it was not there. Now we can see here. Now if you open it with the inside, I'm into the inside server. Now if I open the local host here, yeah, so here also I can see IIS is installed. So this concludes the custom script installation demo. Okay, so let me reiterate what we have done. So Ahmad, specific to you, and for all the people who wanted to take the relook here, we identify, first of all, we identify our VM is equipped with the web server or not. In that, what we did as a part of procedure to for discovery, we went to server, we check whether IIS is installed or not. We have seen the server manager, IIS was not there. We also seen through opening localhost and find out there is no IIS installed. Then we also open the public IP through the portal, and when we open it, we could not find any IIS. Now, to accomplish this procedure, what we did, we created one custom script to install the IIS. That you've seen that it is just one line command. We executed, we save that file as a, that command, we save it .ps1, and then we went to the VM's property, and we created we created the storage account, store our script there, which is here in the custom script under extension. So we actually created store our script under one storage account, and then we executed, and then when we after execution we keep monitoring that, okay, if there is any error message. If not, then you should get the kind of deployment succeeded, or if the status is failure, unable to reach your virtual machine, then you can see the status here. So here also you can see details, view details in status. It says this is actually again your JSON format, how actually you in the back end, how actually your virtual machine behave when you're installing any sort of custom script extension. Then again, for validation, we came back and we open the IIS through the public IP, and then we can see that through a public IP, this IIS part is there, web server is there. Just to double check, we went to the server, we logged into the server, we verified the server manager, under server manager web server is there, and inside the server we open the web server by navigating